Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through a simple step-by-step process on how to log into your Medium Partner Program account. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, accessing your account is essential for managing your content and earnings. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Visit the Medium website. In the address bar, type in www.medium.com and press enter. This will take you to the Medium homepage. Step 3. Click on Sign In. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will see the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your login method. Medium offers several options for signing in. You can use your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose the method that you initially used to sign up for the Medium Partner Program. Step 5. Enter your credentials. If you chose email, type in your registered email address and click on Next. You will then need to enter your password and click on Sign In. If you chose Google, a new window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. Click on the correct account and grant any permissions if prompted. If you chose Facebook, you'll be redirected to Facebook. Enter your login credentials and authorize Medium to access your account. Step 6. Access your Partner Program dashboard. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it to open the drop-down menu and select Stories. Here, you'll find the option for the Partner Program dashboard, where you can track your earnings and performance. Step 7. Log out when finished. For security reasons, it's a good practice to log out from your account, especially if you're using a public or shared device. Click on your profile picture again and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to check for any notifications or updates within your Partner Program dashboard to stay informed about performance metrics and tips for maximizing your earnings. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helped you log in to your Medium Partner Program account with ease. If you found this content useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights.